Question and answer time. Question and answer time. Question and answer time with Death the Kid.
Well, only if they're perfectly symmetrical. Why would I want Nyan Cat? I have an awesome skateboard. Yes. I would be very happy. No! No! Of course not! No! No! Because symmetry is beauty. No? I don't know! It's a magical trap! No. 88. I gotta go! How did you find out? Patty showed her the pictures. You're going to die, Patty! I don't know. I keep dying at black, but the dang white stripes keep coming back.